Ever seen those viral anime edits with insane clarity pulling millions of views on TikTok, YouTube and Instagram? For those crisp podcast vlogs or YouTube videos, I enhance my own content too for better visuals and face enhanced studio level quality. And what if I told you that you can do all that effortlessly with just one tool? Meet Wondershare UniConverter, your one-stop solution to level up anime edits, upgrade your podcast visuals and create next level content without the hustle. Just open Wondershare UniConverter software and you will see a variety of amazing features across the video, audio and image sections. But today I will be talking about the video enhancer tool, which is seriously incredible. Just open the video enhancer and you will find powerful features, but the most in demand tools are face enhancement and animation enhancement. These features can turn your dull video into high definition clarity with detailed structure and natural skin texture. You can enhance videos up to 4x. As you can see, here is 2x and 4x options. It's super easy to do. Just import your video first by clicking on the add video button. Okay, so my video is imported and as you can see, here is a preview button, so you can check the preview of your video. UniConverter will analyze and enhance your video automatically. As you can see, the difference is stunning. Just export it to your files and that's it. My videos now look like it was shot in a professional studio in just seconds. As you can see, the clarity of my video superb. Now let's check out the animation enhancement feature. Simply repeat the same process, choose up to 4x and import your anime video file. You can even enhance multiple videos at once. I have selected 2 videos here, but you can select more and okay, click on it. You can check the preview of your all videos, but I'm going to hit export button. And here is a comparison between the before and after. The detail and realism are amazing. Same goes for the second video as well. Wondershare UniConverter is a great option to enhance your videos without any hustle. You should definitely give it a try. Check out the link in my description and make sure you hit the subscribe button for more tutorials like this.